Let's learn how to calculate partial derivatives in Python. Let's import SymPy and let's import the symbols x and y and let's activate a nice layout. Let's define the function f, that is x cubed plus y cubed minus 6 times x times y. Let's take the partial derivative in terms of x. And here is the code. Fx equal diff f in respect to x. And this is the result. Now, let's take the partial derivative in respect of y. And here is the code. Fy equal diff f in respect of y. And the result is here. Now, let's calculate minus fx divided by fy. And this is the code. Simplify minus fx divided by fy. This is the result. There is a way to get this derivative of y in respect of x directly. We can call implicit differentiation of the function f and we pass y and x. And this is the result. That is equal what you got before. We call this implicit function theorem. See that partial derivative in respect of y cannot be 0. That means this derivative here cannot be 0. See that when you write only dy over dx, it's not obvious that the partial derivative in respect of y cannot be equal 0.